The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, guys. Happy Monday, fellas. Ed, sound is good. Thank you. Thank you. Chad, good morning. Anthony, Patrick, guys, good morning. Lori, very good morning. Guys, good morning to you all. If you folks are here on trial, Dennis, thank you. Michael, good morning. If you folks are here on trial, Tommy, good morning. Good morning and welcome to the room. Today, of course, is Monday, March 18th. It is FOMC week. FOMC will begin tomorrow. And of course, we have the news announcement on Wednesday. Couple of announcements here, guys. First, I will be closing the room 30 minutes or so early today. The room will close at 10:30. I was asked to do a webinar with Trader Bacon, which is sponsored by, I forget who sponsors it, Benzinga. And I will be doing a podcast today with Trader Bacon. That is at 11 a.m. when I normally close the room. So around 10:30, maybe 10:40, I'll close the room. 2, order flow class today is canceled. I did send out yesterday an email to all of you that are in the order flow group with a link for tomorrow. I will be doing order flow class tomorrow. 3, I am meeting with the algo group today. I have sent everybody in the group an email with the link today. I think it's important that you guys show. I know some of you have that meeting is at 12:30. I know some of you may have conflicts, but I am doing a meeting today with the algo group. All right. I have no earthly idea what this bid is about. Nicely. I have no idea what this bid is about. The only thing I have seen is some better than expected news out of China. But we currently have 4,200 net buyers. We are getting a massive short squeeze. Good morning, Michael. Also, I've made one minor change relative to the bots. On the left side of my screen, I am running the original bot on the MNQ. On the right side, of course, I am running the trend bot. I have changed the setting after doing extensive back testing over the week. I am running over the weekend. Thank you, Matthew. Just as a segue, I don't understand why the markets would even be up. I really don't. There's no rate cut coming until at least July now. CPI, PPI, everything is missing. Core PCE, it's all bad. I guess we go higher on bad news again. We're back to that. In any event, we trade what we see, not what we think. Yeah, I'm hoping it's a rug pull because I surely am not buying up here. On the TrendBot, guys, I've actually built 2 bots. 2,500 volume on the original and 2,500 on the TrendBot. Okay, 2,500 volume. So I will run them. The MNQ is set for the Veritas account, which is linked to my copy trader, which is linked to my Apex accounts. The TrendBot I am going to run in Sim, or the TrendBot Pro will be running in Sim. I don't have any other. I have 3 evaluation accounts. One is on my DOM. That's a carryover from Friday. Friday I did 1,300. So I have a an Apex account on that. I have an Apex account on the Algo, which starts a new Apex account today. The Algo cleared an evaluation on Friday. It did 800 on Friday and cleared the evaluation. So that is a new account. And then I am running an account on the MNQ, which did 1100 and change on Friday. It's at 51,031. Yeah, you would have to purchase the bot. In any event, if you folks are here on trial, we do have a number of trials this week. I'm basically maxed out on trials. I think I have 2 slots left. Good morning and welcome to the room. Just kind of an overview. Every day I read the disclaimer. I know if you've been in other rooms or trialed other places, most places just put it on the screen. I actually will read it every day. I then go through charts. We'll take a look at order flow. And last but not least, at 9 a.m. every day, I take a breakfast break from 9 to 9:20. Yeah, the algo meeting will be recorded. When I get it from Sean, I'll send it to all of you, Sharon. All right, first things first. Let me read the disclaimer. Then we'll take a look at some charts and see what we might be looking at. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for. All right, we're off. Buyers on the open. I'm not buying a breakout, guys, on the open. So if it's in, no wonder why. I'm looking at gold. We are at 85. So far, I have no lag. Now I have lag. I have lag, guys. We're at 96. I'm good on the micros. Steven, turn the chart trader on. Google's up 6%. We're going up, fellas. I don't buy breakouts, so this is for me a nothing burger. I'm lagging big time on NASDAQ. We're headed to 322, which was Friday's high, and then 353 above that. We're at 325 now, so we're above yet Friday's high. We're now headed to 355. Disregard my charts. Micros on the bot, fine. I cannot turn on the mini bot because it's lagging. All right, 2250 long on NASDAQ, guys.
Order filled.
Thank you, Greg.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Really, really sucks when I get this lag. We could pull back to 99. Needs to go here.
Order filled.
If my lag doesn't resolve itself in a few minutes, I'll shut down my platform and reload it. That'll solve it.
Order filled. Target filled.
There's the breakout. Yeah, Eric. This thing's going to 70. This is going to 370, man. All right, guys, give me, don't be shy about taking risk off. 42 has to go. If 42 goes, we trade 71. You can hate trend days, guys. $57, and then I'm projecting 91 now, 391. There you go, Eric. You made your day. Anybody else long? One, Greg, one. Only because I had to shut down. What? No, the bot hasn't. You set it up wrong. It's not taking a trade. On the MNQ, Kevin? On NQ. Oh, I'm trading a different NQ than you. I'm trading a 2500 volume. I've got it set to take a short, but this is going to have to come a ways down to get the short. There's a few sellers creeping in. Looks like we could pull back to possibly 22, which is Friday's high, 23. But if this candle here clears that swing high here, we're zipping again. Target 1 on the mini. You sell a 96, you said, Greg?
Order canceled.
Both targets filled.
Order filled.
This could come down to 52 ultimately. Did come to that 86 target 1 I had. Below 86, we come 76.
Target filled.
We could come down to 52, guys. That's my final target, 52. $900 sellers in this block.
Order filled.
Thank you, Pam. Yep, that's what I have. $52, fellas. Me think that's where we come. For those of you guys with the trend bot, which is many of you, I'll have these settings, 2500 volume settings, put in the member area for you today.
Order canceled.
Target 1 is filled. Here comes the breakout, guys. It's going to break out. 418 target is what I'm looking at. 418, and then above that 445. Yeah, it's going to break big red this time. It's going to break it. Okay, out. Well, we've got to get through this 57, 58, and above that, I think we're going to, let's see, got to get above 61. We get 72 and start working up to 98. Held big red, held red again. New yellow on ES. Yeah, I see it. Thank you. 35. I think this is going to break out, guys. It's crazy buying. You're welcome, Chad. Jeez. NASDAQ's up 282, ES up 50, YM up 114, Russell's down 5.5 points. Qs are up $5 today. Jeez, buys up 4.25. Apple's up 427, Amazon's up 59, Meta's up 353, Google's up 879, Microsoft up $1.69, Tesla's up $4, call it. Nvidia's up 32, SMCI up 18. Crude finally got downside target, not before meandering. Yeah, he just sent me a link. I just got an email from him. I don't know if that's like anybody can join. I haven't looked at it. I'm really shocked I've not gotten a dang trade on the algos. Where are you in from? The entry was 16.75. Where are you in from? Uh, 52. I think that you're going to be okay. We got to get above Pandahar. Good morning. We've got to get above 58, 59, 60 area convincingly. I would, hey Mauricio, you're up 287 on the tick bot and 1500 on the big one. Nice. Nice job. Nice job, Mauricio. I'm hard pressed to want to be short. No, I'm in no trades. We do have some sellers rating here though, guys. 25, 22, 24. I mean, I can make an argument for a small pullback, but that's about it. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'm just going to get coffee. All right, guys, I'm back. Going to make another push at that 57. Here it comes. It's winding up. Come on. Got 2 buyers left on top. Yeah, that's cool, man. This is a tough place to be long. You either get the breakout or you squirrel around in here. 15-minute, which doesn't close for another 7 minutes. is giving me long signal from overbought, which I don't particularly like. But we are in a trend day. I mean, for me to want to be long, I'm going to have to today, unfortunately, and these are my least favorite trades. You'd have to be long on a daily breakout above that 61.75. Not for me. I'm not a breakout trader. Target one has been hit. All right, guys. So whatever happens from here on in, stop is at break even. I have 5 micros left. So we saw a total of 3 bot trades today, 1 on the micros, 2 on the minis. I will see everybody tomorrow at 8 a.m. regular time, regular trade day. All right, guys. Sorry I have to leave early, but I've got to get ready for this podcast. Come on, get that second target. All right. Be that as it may. I'll see you guys tomorrow.